Welcome everyone. Welcome to Rediscovering Inner Universe. Now let us see how to harmonize the life energy with a Japanese technique called Chin Shin Jutsu. It is the art of harmonizing the life energy in the body. Sometimes there are different energy blockages in the body. So we will see a very simple technique how we can clear the blockages. This technique is called W fast. Each finger is representing different blockages. W for worry. The thumb is representing worry, stress, tension. Then comes the index finger. It represents fear. Then comes middle finger. It represents anger. Then comes the ring finger. It represents sadness or grief. And last but not the least, the little finger, it represents trying too hard. So all the fingers are representing some or the other mental, physical or emotional blockages. So let us see how we can harmonize the life force. This is the practice. You just have to hold any finger for minimum 30 seconds. You can hold it for as long as you want, but you should hold it for minimum 30 seconds. And you have to add intention that you are releasing the respective emotion. Here I have given one example. Suppose you are holding your thumb to release worry. You have to give intention that I am releasing and letting go of all the worries. And remember all the worries of your life and feel that you are releasing all these emotions, all the worries. Then you can hold your index finger and think if you have a lot of fear, you can give intention that you are releasing all the fears. And remember all your fears in the life and while giving intention, feel that you are letting it go. Like that you can do for all the fingers. Okay, you can do back to back. You can do it for both hands or one hand only. You can start with any one blockage. You can start with worries first. You do it for few days and then you can go to the other finger. Like that also you can do. And you do not have to worry about the sequence. You can do it as you wish. You can do it in any sequence and do it anytime, anywhere. You just have to hold your fingers, that's it, and give intention in your mind. So you can do it anywhere, anytime. Please practice this and see the result in 1 month. Thank you so much. God bless you.